Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment on Google Classroom. So first, you are going to click on the assignment that you want to complete on our class homepage. Remember, each week you are required to complete 2 ELA and 2 math assignments. All assignments will show up on your homepage on Monday and must be completed by Friday. You can do it at any time that best fits your schedule. You are going to click on the assignment you want to complete. There might be a video for you to watch, there might be directions, there might be a story to read, or there might be something that you have to go to your packet to look for to complete. For this activity, I have to complete the Google Docs, so I'm going to click on it to complete my activity. I'm going to read my directions and I'm going to complete my activity in the Google document. So I want to change my fixed mindset to a growth mindset. It says, this is too hard. My growth mindset is going to be, I can keep trying. After I complete my mindset or my activity, I don't need to do anything on this page. I can go back to my assignment page and I can hit turn in if I just want to turn in that document. If I have something that I did on paper and I need to turn in a photo of that assignment, I can press add or create. I can press a file that I have on my computer. I can select from my files and I'm going to find the picture of the fish that I colored in for our fish assignment. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to press open and I'm going to upload it. So now when I turn in my assignment, I am able to see a picture of your paper copy of your assignment. Some activities require you to turn in electronic copies. Some activities require you to turn in paper copies. You should pick what's best for you. If you like completing your activities online, then pick the activities that require you to complete online assignments. If you would rather do your work on paper, pick the activities that have you use more paper copies that were provided in your activity packet. When you are all done with your assignment, you can press the button Turn In. This way, I will be able to see your assignment and I will be able to make sure that we are all doing our work during summer school. I know you guys are going to do a great job this summer doing your work, and I am so proud of all the hard work you have done at home. Please let me know if you have any questions and I can walk through you how to turn in an assignment during one of our Google Meet sessions. I'm so proud of your hard work. I hope to see you soon. Bye.